Look no further than the 2024 Mazda Mazda 3. Get into this 3 and get all the features you want and need for today's lifestyle. This refined compact engages your emotions with responsive handling and effortless acceleration, near luxury interior, modern infotainment tech, and a quiet, balanced ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, remote engine start. Versatile yet refined. That's the 3. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.